yatandise weekend of Saturday as usual. Ground MC is my name. Mutono wa Chabazinga as usual. What did you bash? Ogambo tana. Talk about Wyke Bender's song Amina Minat.
Man, Twitter, good song.
Good song.
It will never fade.
It will never fade,
yes,
actually.
I
know kabaita
Muna Kampala super
Maladona.
Yeah, Maladona.
I like the sound. I like the sound. We are the Fuse Live Ground MC. Mutono Chabazinga is my name. Njagala kubuza ku bantu bejinja abatulaba mu abasinga mu kintu ekyo. Abantu bayita mpake kambulije tubeereyo, abantu bayiganga, abantu bali Masaka, Chotera Road awona MPG mbabuzaako nnyo abatoto bya side za Busia. Tulefuna message abantu bali side ze Busia mbabuzaako nnyo abantu be Busia. Abantu be sape omu lukuli busabala lukuli busabala tubabuzaako nnyo abantu be busabala side zeyo. Producer Sap Jasibuka njaga kubuza ku Irene, of course, big up on you. Obale kola mulimu gwa manje omukulu Shafik Techniques gwa Singa Blood. Regan Sap, big up on you. Gloria buliomba buza konyo mwaba singa, of course. We have some sad stories ahead. Tuwafiru abamu ku bantu abamanya. Actually, I'll talk about one of the big stars in the entertainment industry, the world entertainment industry, wali mu Hollywood. Omukulu yazanya film je bayita Black Panther.
Yes,
Black Panther. This early morning, tujja kuba tumogerako Martha on the profile, a bit of it. I also have some friends. Benakula na bachali bange. We lost them that side of Bombo. Babade ku boda boda Abdu Mukulu Zanda. R.I.P. soldiers, man. R.I.P. Tough that bad news this very night in Gabucha. This guy got an accident. So we shall be talking about that also, Martha, my brothers. And to the guys, the graduates yesterday, I mean BD, tujaba tubaisa Martha, Avon Slim, Omukulu Sasha Vibes, of course, tujamu isamu na Martha,
yes,
yabade ni yazali wa Joe, Sasha Vibes, Cindy Sanyu tujamu isamu Martha, of course Nash, our own boss, chakabinyo nemukwano gafe ku side zeri Nadia. TV ya side zedi, big up on you, of course, yeah. The glory, yeah. Guys, nja kubuza ni Queen Florence, kali.
Yeah, of course.
Tumugateko na Queen Florence, big up on you. DJ Bash, some new songs this week? Some new hits?
Yes, of course.
I know in our Kapia in a week.
Shiba is still doing good.
Shiba in a Kapia, actually that's an album.
Yes, of course.
The album, yeah.
Drake Cali
has a new one.
Yeah, my brother was complaining.
Twina Drake Cali, by the way, is in the building. As we told you, yeah.
Yeah, my brother was complaining. And he said,
Drake Cali.
Yes, after seeing.
Maybe you never know. I know actually Njaku appreciating our posting list here, no Eddie Kenzo.
Yeah.
But just the money about posting this list. Mwaba singer Alexa, of course, courtesy of him. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you and big up on you soldiers. Yeah. To church Pikamaso. You know we play the best 10 most requested songs all over social medias and TVs as enjoy. We do some bit of research.
Yes.
So tubawachiwe dent checho.
Yes.
Cho maja buli limbo lujja ku list yano. Luba lutukiride okubera ku list yano. Wakisegera.
Some of the songs. Grenade and Navio, I do.
Grenade Navio, I do. Yeah. I think it's on a list.
Crystal Panda.
And
Boki Chimoni.
Boki Chimi.
Yeah.
Some sag on that tujja chogera ko Martha Omuruga.
Yes, of course. Zuri Tams.
Zuri Tams ina kapya is it?
Yes. Love Panic.
We had Zuri Tams some time back. Some weeks back actually.
Yeah. Winwaji everything.
Winwaji.
Yes, of course. Love.
Yakozeka this time.
Yeah, still on you. Kakura bulungi so far. Vinka Love Panic.
Vinka Love Panic. Okay, it's doing good.
Kachakura bulungi. Shiba from his album.
Yeah. The album is out already.
I see Palazzo.
It's a collabo. Palazzo.
No, it has single.
Okay.
Single, yeah.
Okay.
Irene Intale.
Intale, she also has the album.
Yes.
Okay.
Yakoze VDM. It's already out. I see Eddie Kenzo.
Eddie Kenzo song, of course. Yogera Bulungi.
Yeah.
Latest one.
Okay. John Black Ngamba. Free Boy, we had him last Saturday.
Touch Me Slow. Week. Okay, Touch Me Slow. Yaji premiere.
Skyland Palazzo. Had a new video.
Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's already out.
Okay.
Cindy Sanyu, Too Much. Brand Ways, Angel Mali, Crazy. Latest videos. Victor Luz, Viper Ranking, Siva, Watch Commando.
Okay. Kali, tuwezi sama sound zanga tumaliza. I want to come on a Drake Kali tunyimye muku katunonga tana duka. Of course, yeah. So let's do some music, a little bit of it, then we'll come back with one Cali. Cali is an artist, actually officially signed under Mpaka Records. That's Wyke Bender. Manager Wyke Bender wamwitani tume bachaliwo. Nyabakao.
The studio.
Yes.
Drake
Cali.
Yes.
Okay, we should talk about that Drake Cali wali, of course. We do some music, I think, for Drake Cali music. Mpaka Records, they will come back in the few. Grown MC is my name. So, I got better day.
Machamalunji nyo. Tukuletedde Katonda tuwadde obulamu.
Tutandikire wa Drake Cali. Kubanga bingi. Tutandikire wa wedini. Gwangamba tutandikire wa tata.
Gona osalawo anza.
Ku Jasmine ne Drake Cali mukwatagana mu Tukuletedde Olugambo.
Yali management. Yali management.
Ya Mpaka
Records. Ne linking up ne management yali ya Jasmine.
Okay.
Yatujja ne bakanya we bamala okukanya panga abayimbi twa meeting and a few days before recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
Abadde mukwano go before even the song.
That was the first time we met one-on-one.
Okay.
Nalinga fani. So the first time we met one-on-one netunyumyamu. Netwogera mu vibe nekwatirawo tukina musuye tukola Luyimba.
Musukawo ku music ne omwana oyo.
Kubaba emikwano. Tuli ba mikwano. At first it was just a collab. It was just the collab between two artists who are now friends. Atera nze mtwala nga mentor wange in this industry because she's one of those people that believed in me. Nakiriza okola nango Luyimba.
Omwana mwegana nnyo twalina Dikenzo one time neyeegana omukyalo Fik Fameka twabadde naye juzi tugenda kuddamu tuplaying Fik twabadde naye era nayeegana omwana oyo Drake Cali nawe omwegaana
sikwegaana because mukazi mulungi nsuubira teri musajja ayinza kwagala kwegaana mukazi mulungi
at least mumwe one of you
kuno kugamba mazima nti we are friends. That is
just friends.
Yes, just friends.
Tulinayo kokusa project ne other new projects.
Jeziri ziwera nyingi sagala kuta
already
surprise.
Done.
Yeah, already done. Naye for now tulinayo tuchatambuza.
How has been your journey? What had you like in the industry?
Industry professionally natandika mwaka guli
last year.
Yeah, when
but
I was signed.
You sound like someone who has been here for so long.
Definitely, and I'm humbled for that. It's not easy. It doesn't come easy.
Not easy.
Naliko muhaso. Nengere ebiserebe nganje yanyonga sijja kwebala nti nali mondongeri professional.
Okay.
So when signing and Wyke Bender, that is when tandikira bala professional. Ntikati career ya Drake Cali kuba ndongo. So that is when I like count into tandika professional music. So it's been almost
Lwaki mukendeza ku myaka egyo nti I think nti omuntu okubeera professional. I know banga lyomaze ng'oyimba emabega obadde professional still because ogenda okujja okuyimba ne Wyke Bender toze mu school nti oze kuyiga kyobadde okola emabega kyoziiro kyobadde okola
amanyi bagamba kati grona oli professional presenter because you are paid for this. Ojita profession, banga.
You're paid for it.
Yeah. Now for me, I've only started getting paid after I signed.
So before me, Tewadika Center.
Before we had hustle kweya, bamo chance, kubemo bichi. So it was more of passion than profession.
Wyke Bender kufuna atya? Over who gets you in the management?
Now, na meeting ako Wyke Bender in 2017. Bali bakapa ku Badi. Na joining Badi.
Badi omukulu oli.
Yes.
Naye akyali Badi.
Kyali omukulu.
Bangamba yagwamuko ku ddalwa.
Bigambo. Abogere bigambo byamanyi babi.
Badi world by then yaliko.
Yeah. So we were there. Then nakoma ng'omuyimbi ng'omuntu wakomayo waka. Nasanga ofe abali emijije emjemserero. So we talked nampa ku magezi kola kino na kino. So that was 2017.
Okay.
Kati nenkola nakayimba kamunyumira. Now I think after he has established Mpaka Records, na setting and agala kufuna bayimbi, I was one of the people that were considered kuba twali banji.
Okay. Yayita mugeri
audition sort of yes.
Batanga balondamu.
Ngabagenda ne recording si ya kuyimba ogenda ne recording mudda next week amala ne recording like that. Katona nanyambire yo mnayi wali mukisa gwange ne mpitawo.
It took you how long?
It took me almost 6 months, sorry.
6 months?
Yes, 5
But you're just
months.
recording music?
Na recording asimanyo bachayitamu batulika.
Wagenda bwotyo? Yes. Paka katocha recording, but already signed.
Yeah, now when signing era nasigala recording. Enenga nali recording throughout.
Wajira mu trend ya Wyke Bender tujukira Wyke nga yakatandika. Era imbanga bwoyimba. I would say. Lwakuba nti ekyenjawulo kyoyina nti you've been okona kuno different genres, yeah. Oyinamu katouch kawaii somewhere lwakuba nti ojja okyusaamu.
He's been an admiration. He's one of my generational artists. Betunako ntugamba okay bano batutegeerera ddala. But anyway, nze nfunye abantu bangamba oyinamu kano oyinamu
tujjukira by then yakola ne Shiba. You remember that song?
Yeah.
The way he sings by then are sounding you sound like the same somewhere.
Ekyo kipya, but you know, eventually my sound will be my sound.
Of course, it's your favorite.
Yeah, definitely, it's my favorite. He's my
actually
mentor.
I've seen Ndabe Waikibenda ndoza ye muyimbi akulembeze nnyo muyimbi we ate okusinga ye. He always front paging nnyo okusinga ate ye.
He's a good businessman.
Even some good gigs ezimu ndowooza azeggyako n'azikuwa.
No, actually, he gives credit where it is due. He's a good businessman because at the end of the day, because at the end of the day when akola sente. Chitwa bayimbi abalala.
Anti kati relaxinzeemu because right now tulaba Drake Kali okusinga Waikibenda.
Because when you have an artist,
ate whereby nti mu kifaananyi kya Drake Kali Benda waali behind. Always Benda is there behind. Kitegeeza akutadde ate yalinga yejjayo.
Kankubuza ekibuuzo. Omukulu wa TV eno lwaki si yakola wano? Lwaki gwajja n'akola wano?
Anti naye mulala.
At the end of the day,
ye musumba.
Kyengezako kuleetera nti bw'okola business yonna tekitegeeza nti ate golekerawo byokola. Abula oba olina ogifunirayo ku time. And takendedde oba tazikiddeemu. It is just tulina planning a record label. Telling this time tugenda releasing tukole bwe tuti. Oyajaba muyimbi ki Drake Kali. Then for this time tugenda releasing tukole bwe tuti. Era obo baddo omugoberera nnyo. He has new music coming very soon. Aina music.
Yakoma tuwadya kayimba bash. Waiki yakoma twakoma kayimba ki.
Juicy one.
Kayimba ki.
One mu lockdown yatu turn up the vibe.
Turn up the vibe, yeah.
Nakola
neyo.
Not one a blessing.
Waikinga yali ate nyimba blood kumukumu bwa speed. Remember by then Waikinga ata kumukumu. Ne right now tulaba Drake Kali coming on a collab Jasmine. Tulaba singles ezijja from you of course.
Definitely.
Atenga always behind is Waikibenda.
Definitely because I plan kati jatambulirako go back then. Waliwo kye strategy nowadays. Now because we are two artists, Chikirize Chigani, we are two artists, so our strategy.
You're two in the record label, the Oracle label.
Yes.
Okay.
So and tujja kwongerako number as time goes on. Ero jakulaba nawo jakuba wanongo muzeebuzo byebimu nga tokyafulumya because there will be another artist.
Begenda kubuuza mbimanyi gye bujja maasawo. Drake Kali nga wavaayo. Twalina nina Rose wano yatugamba ki?
Omanyi kiri bwe kiti. Drake Kali is civil engineer by the way, civil engineer. Yes, nasoma ne malako. Ekintu ekibadde kitawanya industry eno. Titusigninga contracts because of desperation. Yet ekituufu kiri nti you have to have people that understand the contract. Abatali mu record label. Ne muteesa bye mwagala. Nze contract yange twagidrawinga ku agreement. Twamala okuagreeinga tugenda kukola kino tukole kino. Kikyagala, kino kyagala, kino kigenda kukola. Kanabo ne bampa
mwaji webbanga nti myaka bwe gitegenda kubeekoma.
Definitely. Eriko renewal myaka 3.
Oh, esatu renew.
Yes, eriko renewal.
Tokule.
Osobola okukula naye kiki ekingana okulira mu mpaka. I mean,
naye abamwera bagamze kati nkuze.
Era abo bamu naye
ngenda kuyita mukuze.
Abo bamu nze
tobeera mwabo Drake Kali maasawo.
Omanyi record label yange kye offering and apart from me just being an artist kumya at the end of 3 years nina fixed deposit account just sifaako. Okay. Boje bafaako and there's some cash being deposited on it. So at the end of the day siri kubwangu bagamba nti anetaga okukola sente nange zange nzingule bino na bino because weziri emyaka 3 gigenda kugwa ngende mu account nzijeyo nzimbe ekizimbe kyange bakayumba kange somewhere ate nsigale nga nkola. So that is the labels zino kwechecking ezaba abamu abakere encha nakola ki nakowa.
Drake Kali ngokuze speed. Go the speed. Like in a year, you're going to make 2 years.
Yes.
The
first year, you're going to make 1 year.
You're going to make 1 year.
Yeah.
Imagine. Mwaka gomo. Aliga MBA over like 7 years.
Nina kusoko kwebaza mukama. Because you know wani bachita mukisa ko wakwata ko bagula wenziji nencha bikeranga bilala. Okitegera. And then nenebaza management yange ne team yange jenkola nayo because nina record label ne yampa management team yange manager stereo abange naba Waikibenda who manages
Waikibenda and managing
Mamita manager Jamil sorry
Jamil
yeah.
Now you it's
manager stereo
yeah. Okay, we'll do some music by Drake Kali of course to come I think like 2 songs there to come on the Drake Kali of course Mpaka Records yeah aina kaimba Akapia. No, just do any music, like 2 songs. Tujja koma onaka akapia for premiere. But
at the same time, Waluganda, ninga gwe banzala naye.
Okay. Osobola okuba essimu bwega kubuuza ku Dre Cali. Any question you can call right now. Tukubire ku simu kati ku WhatsApp number jola okusaidia ku screen yo. We talk about anything. Buuza ku kimu kyonna kyagaye. Can send even a message. Osoweza ka message ku of course direct over ku WhatsApp. Or you can call. Onyumyeko na mkulu Dre Cali. Dre Cali, how many songs do we have so far?
So far zile nyimba nnya.
First songs.
Yeah, first songs. My first song was Zigizaga.
Okay.
Netukwata video. Then netuzako Ewaluma. Netuamukwata video. Then netukola onanagiza. And now the latest ebisooka ne bisembayo.
Ebisembayo.
Ebisooka
ne bisembayo. It's the latest one. Ani awandika nyimba za Dre Cali?
Dre Cali is a singer-songwriter.
Singer-songwriter. Temuli and a written song.
No. So
Waiki Benda is a writer.
Yes.
Dre Cali a writer.
Yes.
Waiki wako Luyimba ngalwandise. Can you sing it?
Definitely. Luyimba. Ne what about Waiki? Because at the end of the day, we want good music to flourish. If the terms are good, nakirizana management yange.
Okay.
Ku charge zagendo to charge. Ngarachi si Luyimba. I mean, Beyonce is one of the biggest names internationally.
Yeah.
Bamwandikira. So nebaza mukama ndisobola okwewandikira, but at the same time if somebody is more talented naleto Luyimba ne lunyumira nganza. Lwaki mbasi Luyimba waba agenda dumpa?
Tugambe nti singa tuli mu COVID right now.
Yeah.
Would you do a concert?
Not a concert, but I'm pretty sure I would be making good money.
Good money?
Yeah.
Of course you would be making good money.
Yeah.
So what was the concert? Because someone told me to call a hit. We'll call a hit song. You can make a concert like Chosen Becky did. As long as you have that hit song.
Biri muntegeka ya muntu. Kati nzenga Dre Cali just ntandika butandisa okula. Maybe akantu kenda ndikozeewo kandibadde meet and greet oba album. Nandibadde probably ndowooza kukutaka EP oba album. Because I want people to feel more of my sound. Because I have a lot to offer just than kyebakawulirako. Nyimba nyingi. Yeah, so
someone is like is Dre Cali married?
Dre Cali is single.
Single, not searching.
Chichali awo.
Nemwegana nnyo abantu bamwe Dre Cali. Simanyi lwaki. Artist muyina ekizibu ekyo.
Kankubulire.
Dre Cali toyinza kubanga toyina mukazi. Tosobola kubanga tomuyina. With a brand.
Omanyi omukazi gwamukiriza nti Rona olina omukazi n'ogamba naye nina omukazi yono naye oba tonatuuka kufuna muntu oyo gw'ogamba nti nina omukazi tekikola sense kuvaayo buvi n'ogamba nti nina omukazi okitegeera so si kwegaana some people are not ready. I don't know what their reasons are but for me as Dre Cali nkyatwala obudde bwange nkyalwana nandonga eno ndabe ng'ekola
abayimbi temuwasa celebrities temuwasa
tuwasa era nze bwe naaba nfunye omwana w'abandi nja kulangira bulungi.
Queen Florence ayina emyaka emeka paka tawasanga up to now yayimba dda 2001
tomanya
namusawa bufumbo yaga
aizoba ayina ebintu bye byakyakolako oba just nga tayagala ayina kuba musista.
Okay. Hello caller. Hello. Okay, you can call obuze ku Dre Cali ekibuzo kyonna kyoyagala omubuuza. Anything you can ask. Dre Cali, tugambe someone comes and signs you under any other management. Or so from Mpaka Records.
For now, sisobola kuva mu Mpaka Records because I have goals I have to, accomplish, and I have a contract that is running.
Okay.
Okujjako nga ate Mpaka Records. Something has to be bigger than Mpaka Records, and bigger by big I mean international.
Hello caller. Hello. Okay, Mr. Bo, take a care time otukubira obuze ku Dre Cali ekibuzo kyagala omubuuza. I want to take like 2 or 3 callers. Dre Cali tumutadduka emisinde ya. Dre Cali, so far management yakupushes okutuukawo otuse. Which other thing would you like the management to do for you?
Management ebimanyi.
Ebyagala
okunkolera ebimanyi.
Waliwo demands omuyimbi as an artist babeera ne demands at times. Nze njagala kino singa bankolera kino bamaze.
Kankubireko. Nze nasigninga 360 deal.
Where?
Bansuza with Mpaka Records.
Mpaka Records.
Bansuza, bandisa, banyambaza, bantransportinga. Okitegera like what
buli kimu kiri ku record
yekikola bakola promotion by shooting videos by releasing so I think pretty much that is all we want.
How would you guys gain at this time COVID order?
COVID of course yazze nasala ebintu kati kyetutunuulira.
How do you earn?
We are not earning sijja kugamba nti engeri gye ziri
kubanga okumanaging artists like Dre Cali a brand kitegezo ino okusambu that's something big.
Definitely.
Meaning nti music Dre Cali gwokola akomyawo ku center. How do you guys earn?
To call scientific functions, to performing a cool.
You already do that?
Yeah, I'm already doing that.
Okay.
Online, though it is not really much, but I'm never picking up on like getting our music from there, never zigula. And definitely change basically so far right now.
Hello, caller. Hello. Buza chobuza waliwo agambye nti dude is just talented himself. Thumbs up. Dre Cali unsure of the spelling though. Thumbs up. The Fuse ABS TV and him the talent I mean. Dude is just a talented. Is just a talent himself. Thumbs up. Dre Cali unsure of the spelling though.
Spelling D-R-E.
D-R-E.
That is Dre. Then Cali C-A-L-I. Yes. Okay,
Cali bakuzemu zeyindowoze. Dre Cali gatumaliriza ebigambo ebisembayo eri abantu.
Manya nedowoozi bamutya Dre Cali, the ultimate Sunday's boy from Paka Records. Era banzala Ntebe, mwana w'Entebe. Abantu b'Entebe baba bali. Definitely. Mbagala nnyo abantu bange. Omwana amwaze ku the Fuse. Follow me on social media. That is Dre Cali Music.
Dre Cali Music.
Yes, temuli spaces. That is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Osobola n'okujja ku YouTube.
Okay.
Content wange enabeera ku Mpaka Records. That is MPAKA Records. And if you want to get to me for any functions, so I know kuba kunamba ya manager wange.
Tujibawe number.
Okay. Bamita manager stereo. Eri note musanvu note emu.
Note musanvu note emu.
Abiri asatu. Atano mu mwenda. 0701 20 30 59. Manager stereo.
Manager stereo. Dre Cali akaimba kakapya.
Akaimba kakapya. Bakaita ebisooka ne bisembayo.
And yakoze video ne audio.
Mpaka video yakoleddwa Mpaka Films ne audio yakoleddwa Mpaka Records.
Byonna biri waka.
Yeah, byonna
tubikwata. Muzisawa ze mukola.
Tulina director Vamita Ivash.
Sente muzisawa.
Definitely tugula ebyuma ebikwata video.
Lidako kwata mukola audio.
Yes,
mukola video.
Yeah.
You're not spending any money ku audio over video.
We actually are professional, very professional.
Tutegeza sente zimukola kati mumuzi wa kuwani sente
zimukola. Spending a sente. Kankubuli tu spending a sente.
Mu spending.
Mpaka Films is a department mu Mpaka Records. Bwaba muyimbi wa Mpaka Records Dre Cali ayagala kola Luyimba na Mpaka kola video na Mpaka Films.
Yeah.
Manager Dre Cali akwata.
Beautiful sounds. Kubuliro mwana yakubyo Luyimba. I think the audio was done by Bamwitani. Is it Ronnie? I think Ronnie yakoze the audio. Bawa, it's Bawa. Man, the song is very beautiful. Tugenda kuyongeza mu dance party chirondo wote.
Yeah, true. Bawa ya
tugenda kuyongeza chiro bigi Bawa. Okay?
Mwana, Shiba ndoza yo mimi asinga mu Uganda mbachara.
Achogedde kati.
Tovola.
Ate spice there. Ate spice. Gamba Shiba akubye bulungi kana kayimba kaddala.
Kayimba yakakubye bulungi.
Kayimba kaddala kalungi.
Yeah.
Oyina analysis kigogendo tuwa several.
Ekintu kyo twakikyagwe ekyo.
Fire soka ulirize. Shiba ina nachuka, it's a hit. Aina
empeta.
Ali still kachali modio.
Aina album ya akajita. Ni Spice aina.
Aina collabos.
By the way, last time mujjukira twali tugamba ku bintu bya Shiba ne Cindy.
Ne Cindy sanyu.
Roza ekivulu ekyabaawo kya Cindy twamanya who is bigger.
Ani
omunene mu launching
right now twogera ku Luyimba. We talking about the song kana kayimba ka Shiba. It's a beautiful
one. Yeah, kalungi.
Omanya kayimba kalungi keyogerera.
Yeah.
A good song speaks for itself. Twogera kayimba kalungi.
Tekitegeza
nti Shiba yasinga okuyimba.
Kye tugamba kitosukkulumya. Tovola.
Kenzo yakuba songo twagamba nti Kenzo yasinga okuyimba.
Ate nga semyekozo ba Luyimba lwa.
Yayina Oluyimba. Shiba yayina Oluyimba. Of course he has always been
proving.
Already proving.
The battle has been between Shiba and Cindy. Temuleta Spice. Okay? Shiba agezako proving Cindy.
which is wrong
ate ki kati njogedde ku Shiba
yalaba show ya Cindy gye yakuba.
Let's go slow.
Walaba show ya Cindy.
Soka ulirize ekikola show si kuyimba bulungi management I mean like guli ku kivulu it doesn't matter. Fik Fameka is a good artist. Yes,
Uganda,
the reason being tuwadde tukomparinga Shiba ku Cindy. Right now mbagambye nti Shiba ye muyimbi nze asingira okuyimba oba asinga okuyimba mu Uganda mu bakyala ne muleeta Spice Diana katitegeeza Cindy ani
Spice si mukyala.
No, the battle has been between
Spice
Shiba
and Luyimba ne Harmonize.
Okay. Ate toleeta Harmonize ng'oli ayinaiza aba Nigeria. Ayina Sweet Sensation. Sweet Sensation, okay?
Abuzibu nti ono Munyankole bulira
tovoola nnyati
endebusoga akimanyi uliriza ogambye
zeri mu America
ulira agambye nti Shiba yasinga okuyimba mu bayimbi bonna e Uganda kiba kiri ne tugamba Spice ate kati gwe mu kwogera ko oli mu comparinga kyogamba Spice si muyimbi mukyala.
Shiba si yasinga okuyimba mu Uganda mu bakazi
anti kati
tukijjewo ekyo
toyiza tugamba nti abasinga okuyimba abakyala bali babiri. Sawa no Spice Diana right now Spice tukangambe sawa zino Spice
Cindy ali buli omwana mu kiti kinenge sawa zino Spice true
Cindy yalina time ye Shiba yalina time ye right now Spice
Shiba yakoze akayimba akalungi
Spice I mean Shiba agenda to provinga maybe ayinza okudda ku number ye because she was number 1 before.
Spice Diana is a good artist. Nayo nensonga gyalese ya collabos ndowooza talina kukola nnyo collabos alina okukola singles. That's why I say Shiba.
Kisinzira collabo gikoze nani right?
Lwaki Diamond tumuwe namba ennene ate ng'akola collabos?
Bwe tugamba nti Kokonyo with Harmonize tetumanyi oluyimba lwani. Do you know?
True, but it's a big collab. Tetumanyi na nyinyi.
No, actually nkugambye. When the song is a collabo, it doesn't decide. Nolwenafuna views enyingi we shall say tuzigabanyemu kubanga batize bazende bakola ne ba viewing and neberi. But when you do a single ne hitting kati you can't compare Ninda kunyimba za Spice this year.
Ati lwaki tugamba nti Diamond Platinum wakabi yet he does collabs okusinga.
Yeah.
Lwaki tugamba Diamond lwaki aba wakabi nga tugamba nti alina collabs okusinga of course the hits singers are in their collabs.
Yeah, they are collabs. Never be square. Of course never Neo.
Even the latest songs are in their collabs of course.
Simba buli kyakola kikwatayo oba akoze what did you just like he had a show nga oyajidde mu nnyonyi nateeka clips ziri mu 1 million taliimusimanyi kolabo oba singo oba kije buli kyakola kikwatayo
naye ate ndowooza singa esinga zesinga okukola.
Yeah, true.
Most of esinga okukola
Shiba alina akayimba akalungi ndere kimufuula asinga
the song is good
but it's not the best.
Yes, alina ennyimba n'akayimba twogera ku kayimba twogera ku kati baasi
kalungi.
Oli DJ ffe tukola analysis you just play music.
True, tugamba kiriko
kati gwe ina wulira
totukyankalanya yamukubyako abalongo yatukoze bubi.
So how was your week bro?
The week was fine bro. Yesterday twabadde kawo ne Kamiri nga tugulawo office awo Mengo.
Oluzungu okay. Mwabadde ne Kamiri
tovoola
mwabadde ne Kamiri
tusigale ku mulamwa
nga tunaba tukutuuka ku Kamiri twagala kwogera ku mukulu yazanya Black Panther. Yatuwe ku profile y'omusajja oyo.
Omusajja oyo yazaalibwa mu mwezi gwa November afudde alina emyaka 43
abadde akyali muto.
Yasomera wali ku Howard University bwe yava ku Howard n'agenda ku Oxford then mu mwaka gwa 2016 neyezuula nti alina ekirwadde kya colonial cancer oba cancer bwezaba wamubyenda I think siri musawo nnyo then bwe bamala okuzuula nti alina
obadde nkibuuza Basha ayinza obba abadde akitegeera
kyekyo kyennyini yezuula nti amulina mu mwaka gwa 2016 n'ekirungi ekyaliwo nti mogwo mwaka mwennyini mwe yasooka okufunira movie y'amaanyi gye yazannya gya featuringamu na featuringa mu movie ya Captain America Civil War eyasooka abatamu kye batamanyi nti zino movies ogenda ogira amaka bagitaddemu nga olwedde bagizannya ddaye yasooka n'azannya mu movie ya Captain America Civil War n'azannya nga T'Challa before even Black Panther. Ekirala abadde director good storyteller kubadde alina degree
director atenga is a good actor.
True. Abadde ne degree mu arts and performing what something like that. Yabadde performing actor. Then ndowooza Black Panther yafulumira already nga ali signed under Marvel.
Black Panther ndowooza yasinga omujja
yasinga omututumula. Yabiva manchi kati gundi yali egenda okudda Avengers season eno yaddako bagiyita batya is it Endgame? Endgame agenda okudda mu Endgame already wali yakikuba dda akimanyi. Kye batamanyi nti gundi abadde yagimala ogizanya parts eza Black Panther zibadde zawedde lwakuba nti muguno mwaka mwennyini mu mwezi ogwokubiri mu February badde alina movie gye bali mukolako gye badde ali mu kuzannyako movie ebadde yakaggwa yafiiridde wali mu bayitayo Boston gye yafiiridde yafudde yesterday Friday
nga bukya agenza okufanga kawadde kalinye ku stage kyetuyita stage 5
abadde na award yawangulako award yawangulako best actor nawangulako best babayita basupporting nnyo mu movie abalina bwe bagiyita aba movies abafollowinga nnyo movies mukimanyi abadde ne blockbusters nyingi zabadde akyazannya zabadde akyalumiza batanabakuta bwekityo naye yatufuddeko afudde alina emyaka 4 mu3
So sorry for that, brother. So sorry. Actually, on the same note, I also lost my good friends. Abamukubana bembade mpangala na side zeyo way back. This guy is actually Nanabuku Tuesday. I was with boys Zanda, Abdu, Nejofre. They died yesterday on a border accident. All of them on spot.
Sorry, spot.
Yeah, they were border. So I think someone told me in a corner, never corner a motoka somewhere on the corner. That's why these guys died.
Sorry,
that's why bonaba tuli mubera bweti. Teyagaza.
Tukubye mu kumakoti ni respecting the bagenzeko. Ne wankubadde wa sky yavudde ku kumulama. Ne shortcut yatufuddeko.
Okay, I think tukube ku some music bus tukomeo katono nyo bro. We do some stories after this.